Jatend migao masomo Julius Migoso Gambo wacho ni gikone migao no chopo e winjruok gi jogo buge chapa e pacho ka kendo gidoke go chapa buge somo mag grade 11. Ywaro kosebedo kalure kod gowi mar bilion 11 ma jogo chapa buge e bandho piny owacho. Kwacho ni gisetwa kod migao mar omenda kendo segolo bilion 5.6 ne chenro makamano. Kamano bende Gambo omedo ni chenro machwalo buge grade 10 skunde dhi nyime makare. Ento ne skunde mane oyudo jopuonjre mang'eny moloyo kwan mane gigoyo. Gino mano miyo jopuonjre moko norem yudo buge. Omedo ni giwinjore gi jogo buge chaka otiek golo buge mag grade 10 kwa gidonje mag grade 11.
Totally, because some of the schools got an extra number of students, and we've asked the teachers now to submit the actual numbers of the students so that we can give them the relevant books, because the policy is in each course subject the ratio of students to books or books to students should be 1:1. So because of that, the process, of course, of grade 11 was proceeding as well, but the officials in the ministry thought that it would be wiser to complete the issue of grade 10 first before they issue the letters for grade 11, so that we are not caught up again with the issue of those financial resources, because once you issue the letters, then you start the process of procurement, the resources are required. They were doing that math to see what is the best time to ensure that those letters are released. But to put you to rest, or put the worries to rest, we have given instructions and we have intervened. Those letters are now going to be issued to the publishers to start that process. So it was just an internal processing matter that is not, as you know, I've seen in some newspaper screaming headline that there is a problem. There is no problem, because we are not in grade 11 yet. We are actually in grade 10.
Jaod bura ma Ugunja Moses Mondi ojiwo jo Kenya opog siasa kod mibadhi masana kwa chenro makelo moe pacho ka wacho ni keto jotelo